Deputy Captain Richmond Lamptey out of game Kotoko. Next game Ebaso, which is against Bibiani Gold Stars. Side game no penny for confirm say Ebaso Friday. But unfortunately, Richmond out of the game. Yes. And yet the reason say the sad news at all no about ne papa Odakwe Lamptey enyani baby ako. That's not the reason why it's here. And yet because of the death of ne papa no and I out of Kotoko. Next game so against Bibiani Gold Stars, which is the match the 19th of the Ghana Premier League no. And then the reason it's here ontimi mosa game ni bi no ewa ha me de bro efia pacho wa ha Super 24 TV information dey be we are saying top na ye de bro if you want subscribe ya wadaroma you hit the red subscribe button, you tap on the notification bell, then you follow us on the social media na ye dikaso boom together social media ho the question sem no do na ho na free ba inti follow ye ho no Super 24 TV and na Instagram dey Kumasi Blogman, Twitter Kumasi Blogman, and afi a man in a TikTok no a Blogman 24. My follow near follow back near the Kasubum ho. A good year no all across balls. But if you are ankasa and yeba at the presentations no eba. The pacho young go straight into the stories. Kumasi Asante Kotoko against Bibiani Gold Stars no. Eba so nyame adoma Friday ewo the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. That is the match day 19 for Ghana Premier League for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Home game for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Richmond Lamptey out of the game. And because of ne papa when you baby kono. And Richmond Lamptey is quite okay now. And Kotoko no odono so. The love is deep. And now many people across the globe reach out to Richmond Lamptey. And Richmond Lamptey na numukasa or say he's okay now. And but obe joining the busuano e won cran na papa no around Kaswa area ho nti obe joining omo na moko na busuane nhihye ne nchiane ade but enye no nti e na Kotoko against Bibiani Gold Stars no ommo bi Bibiani Gold Stars game no Richmond Lamptey ahead of that particular game no e wo 3 accumulated yellow cards, just like this game against the previous game at Kotoko, a boy, I lose against away game I boy no Pandu Heart of Lions no. Baba Yaya Mubina Baba Yaya 3 yellow cards accumulations and no ruling out. And with this particular game against Bibiani Gold Stars, Baba Yara Sports Stadium no. Richmond Lamptey also 3 accumulation of 3 yellow cards. It's emanate out of the game according to the GFA statutes and laws. Maybe be rules no. So 3 yellow card in accumulation game. Also makes it the next game. So and also the reason why Richmond Lamptey ain't me and started for and I say ultimate feature for Kumasi Asante Kotoko against Bibiani Gold Stars. And no money ruling out of the game, and money out of the game. Confirmation about no. They will say the Monty Friday is show Baba Yarana or Richmond Nima and because of the sad news nearby. For the sad news, we are told say he is been recovering with support, encouragement, and prayers. Kotoko supporters, we two chairman. Kotoko supporters, one of the best football supporters we are here. Me Kumasi Asante Kotoko support. They can see enchire dopa. Asante Kotoko supporters. Two for now kupon share Kotoko supporters. Kotoko supporters. So two for now kupon insha ubibia. Now Kumasi Asante Kotoko president game no Ebaso against Asek Mimosa in the date 27 na China Bosome Ebeson 28 na February we say 28 days pe omo ye Bosome aketwa na Kubasa no feel you Bosome ason say pay be hwim to for that go me enti say senior citizens are more platform so ye Bosome aketwa aduma atuma aya no ma kire do so to for that go me enti say so president game no Ebaso, but say no Ebaso on the 5th of March. And a president game no Ebaso in the CCBU. A free gate yenti ne no so. Asek bi mo say eba Kumasi. Na no le buy but only media man about this time Asek on the Ghana's greatest Krobia Asante Kotoko enable a 5th of March enye 6 bio yenti na yenhye no nso. More about that particular game no be in the next video. But that's it.